This is the Financial News Network. I'm Maribel Aber. Activision Blizzard yesterday named Electronic Arts as a defendant in a lawsuit the company filed in April against two game developers previously employed by the company. The Los Angeles Times reported this, citing the suit. The suit, which seeks $400 million in damages, accused Electronic Arts of plotting to destabilize and destroy Activision Blizzard's Infinity Ward unit. That's quoted by the newspaper. Activision Blizzard is up around 2% on the news early Wednesday to a price of $12.47. For more news, stay tuned. You're watching the Financial News Network. I'm Maribel Aber.